So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit an order on DoorDash. So first of all, open up the app. On here you can see home, grocery, shopping, browse, and the me section. Now from here, in order to edit an order, you can go to the me section and you can see here orders, try-pass, settings, profile, and rewards. Click on orders. Once you've clicked on this, you can see the option to edit your order, but you can only do so much. So if you click on that, and to edit an order, you can click on the option make adjustments, and you can provide a brief description of the adjustment you wish to make. So that's about it for editing. So if you've already ordered and paid for it, you can't actually remove or add items. You can just talk through that adjustment so they can change some little things to it. But I will just show you guys through the shopping cart stage. So on here, if you go to find a meal and order it through here, so you can just add stuff to it, and you can see if you wish to add some ingredients, and you can see it's going to look something like this. Now if I want to make an adjustment by telling them, I know I said this, but can you change it to this so I don't have to edit my order entirely? So they change it to this before they start making it. That's about how you can change and add an adjustment, and then you can wait to communicate something you're unsatisfied with. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.